We're one step from the finish line. Episode 10, the design package. Today we'll implement 8 classic design patterns in a single reference file. These are proven, reusable solutions that shape real-world Java architecture. Let's build DesignPatternsDemo.java. 8 private demos, called in order, creational first, then structural, then behavioral. Singleton ensures exactly one instance. The constructor is private. GetInstance uses double-checked locking with volatile, thread-safe and lazy. C1 and C2 are the same object, changing a property through C1 is visible through C2. Builder separates object construction from its representation. The HTTP request constructor is private, the fluent builder methods return this for chaining. Build, validates and creates the immutable request. Optional fields get sensible defaults. Factory method encapsulates object creation. CreateLogger uses a modern switch expression to return the right logger implementation. The caller never sees the concrete classes, just the logger contract. Adapter lets incompatible interfaces work together. Legacy payment gateway works in cents, modern payment expects dollars. Payment adapter converts the amount and delegates to the legacy system. The client code only sees the modern interface. Strategy lets you swap algorithms at runtime. Sorter holds a sort strategy, we start with ascending order, then change it to descending. The sorting logic is injected, so sorter never changes, only the strategy does. Command encapsulates an action as an object, enabling undo. Text editor wraps string builder and stores executed commands on a stack. Each command knows how to undo itself. After 3 appends and 2 undos, only hello remains. That's the design package, 8 patterns in one file. Singleton, builder, factory, decorator, adapter, observer, strategy, and command. These are the reusable shapes that give professional code its structure. We've built every package. Every topic. Everything so far is a standalone reference class waiting for the final connection. In the next, and last, episode, we return to Main.java and wire all 16 demos into a single, compilable, runnable project. That's where everything clicks. Thank you for making it this far. The finale is 1 episode away. I'll see you there.